Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most luxurious and breathtaking homes in the world. Today we are taking you inside a spectacular $30 million private beachfront estate located on Nantucket Sound in Osterville, Massachusetts. This incredible property is considered one of the most exclusive and expensive homes in all of Cape Cod. Sitting on an impressive 3.66 acres of prime waterfront land, this estate offers 280 feet of private sandy beach, giving the owners complete privacy and stunning ocean views. The property features 15,500 square feet of luxurious living space, perfectly designed to blend coastal elegance with modern luxury. As we approach the estate, the first thing you notice is the breathtaking landscaping. The long private driveway is surrounded by lush greenery, mature trees, and perfectly maintained gardens that create a peaceful and private atmosphere. The home's white and gray coastal architecture blends beautifully with the surrounding ocean views. Walking through the grand entrance, we step into the magnificent great room, which immediately feels bright, open, and welcoming. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural sunlight to flood the space while also showcasing the incredible views of Nantucket Sound. The living room features elegant furniture, modern decor, and a luxurious yet comfortable design that perfectly captures the essence of coastal living. Next, we move into the formal dining area, where a large designer dining table sits beneath a stunning chandelier. This space is ideal for hosting elegant dinner parties while enjoying views of the ocean just outside the massive glass walls. Connected to the dining area is the chef's kitchen, which is a dream for anyone who loves cooking. The kitchen features high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, a massive marble island, and modern lighting fixtures. Large windows provide natural light and beautiful views while preparing meals. This space combines functionality with luxury, making it perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Moving through the home, we enter the media and entertainment room, a comfortable space designed for relaxing and watching movies with family and friends. With plush seating, soft lighting, and a large screen, this room feels like a private luxury theater. One of the most impressive features of this estate is the guest wing, which includes multiple spacious bedrooms. In total, the property offers 7 beautifully designed en-suite bedrooms, each featuring elegant interiors, large windows, and private bathrooms. These rooms provide comfort and privacy for guests while maintaining the same luxury design found throughout the home. Now let's head outside to explore the resort-style backyard, which truly feels like a private luxury resort. The centerpiece is the stunning swimming pool, surrounded by sun loungers, palm trees, and a spacious terrace perfect for relaxing in the sun. There is also an outdoor kitchen and dining area where you can host incredible gatherings while enjoying the ocean breeze. Beyond the pool area, the property opens up to expansive green lawns that stretch toward the private beach. With 280 feet of beachfront, the owners have direct access to soft sand and the beautiful waters of Nantucket Sound. Imagine waking up every morning and walking just steps from your home to your own private beach. Back inside the house, we explore the owner's wing, which is designed as a peaceful and luxurious retreat. The primary suite features a spacious bedroom with breathtaking ocean views, a private sitting area, and direct access to an outdoor terrace. The primary bathroom feels like a 5-star spa, with a large soaking tub, glass walk-in shower, marble finishes, and elegant lighting. This space was designed to provide the ultimate level of comfort and relaxation. The estate also includes several incredible luxury amenities rarely found in private homes. These include a 5,000-bottle wine cellar, a private golf simulator, a fully equipped gym, and even a massage room for a true spa experience. For car enthusiasts, the property offers 7 garage spaces, providing plenty of room for luxury vehicles. In addition, the estate includes a separate staff house, ensuring that the main residence remains completely private and peaceful. As the sun begins to set, the home transforms into something truly magical. Soft lighting highlights the architecture, the pool reflects the evening sky, and the sound of ocean waves creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. This $30 million Nantucket Sound estate is more than just a home. It is a private coastal paradise that combines luxury, privacy, and breathtaking natural beauty. Thank you for watching another luxury home tour on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoy exploring the world's most incredible properties, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tour.